Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to buy USDT on Changely in 2025. If you're dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies, USDT, or Tether, is a fantastic starting point. It's a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value stays pretty steady, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking to avoid the wild price swings of other cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. First things first, let's get you set up on Changely. Changely is a super user-friendly exchange platform that lets you buy, sell, and exchange cryptos quickly and securely. To start, head over to the Changely website or download their app. It's available on both desktop and mobile for easy access in 2025. Step 1. Create an account. Click on the Sign Up button, enter your email, set a strong password, and verify your account through the email link they send you. Don't skip this. Security is key in crypto. Step 2. Verify your identity. Depending on your location, Changely might require KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. This usually involves uploading a government ID and a selfie. It's a quick process, but it ensures compliance with regulations, especially with the evolving crypto laws in 2025. Step 3. Deposit funds. Once verified, go to the deposit section. You can add money using a credit card, bank transfer, or even another cryptocurrency. Changely supports various payment methods, so choose what works best for you. Keep an eye on fees here. They can vary, but they're generally straightforward. Step 4. Buy USDT. Navigate to the exchange or buy page, search for USDT, and select it. Enter the amount you want to purchase, review the exchange rate and any fees, then confirm the transaction. In just a few seconds, your USDT should appear in your wallet. Finally, once you have your USDT, consider transferring it to a secure wallet for extra protection. Always enable two-factor authentication and stay updated on market news. Crypto is always changing. There you have it, folks. Buying USDT on Changely in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.